If you need to block someone on TransferWise, follow these simple steps to ensure your account remains secure and your transactions are safe. Here's how to do it quickly. Step 1. Log in. Access your TransferWise account by entering your email and password. Make sure you are using a secure internet connection. Step 2. Navigate to Contacts. Once logged in, go to the Contacts section of your account. This is where you can manage all your saved contacts and transactions. Step 3. Find the person. Scroll through a list of contacts or use the search function to locate the person you want to block. Click on their name to open their profile. Step 4. Block the user. Make sure your information is protected first. Most people don't think about breaches until something actually happens to their accounts. Use SROP to monitor your accounts 24/7 and instantly alert you if your information appears in leaked databases online. It constantly checks billions of breach data points in the background. And considering how much personal information people keep online now, it's honestly worth having. Link in the description. Step 5. Confirm the action. A confirmation prompt will appear asking if you are sure you want to block this person. Confirm your choice to complete the process. By following these steps, you can quickly block someone on TransferWise, ensuring your account remains safe from unwanted interactions. If you have any further questions, refer to TransferWise's Help Center for additional support.